back to my YouTube channel. As you guys know, if you guys play Brookhaven in Roblox, you guys know that the police station and all is updated. So let's get it two of it. I can't wait. And before I started, I just came here and I remember to do something or I not do something record. So I just put my poster on those and come here and start the record. Well, actually, your post badge has been changed. If you guys can see, look at that. Okay, now let's go to the left. Oh yeah, donuts. Police favorite thing. And work papers. I really love this update, And then Brookhaven fugitives. SWAT operation. I don't know how to yo. Oh right, Shale. Who is this guy? I'll just go and look now. Oh, sorry, bye. Before we go upstairs, let's finish the downstairs. Smile, you're on camera. We still could jump from here and all. Oh yeah, but we need a ladder like this. I love this sound one. Interrogation. I think this is pretty good. Interrogation rules. I don't want to read those. Service respect. Yo, they made this so much old. Oh yeah. Actually, they just deserve it. I mean, only in real life is the one person. Wait, is this power box? Yes, it is. And so, yeah, someone. Let's just mind him because I'm getting out of control right now. I might be in jail. Okay, yeah, it's kind of like yo, look at that. Wow, I didn't even know that they have clouds in here. This is down below. Oh my goodness, please. Oh, and let's go. Yeah, pretty good actually. Yeah. Let's see if something. Oh yes, there is handcuffs and everything. First, let's go and check not in the props. Ooh. It has been changed the amount, but also, oh, the flashlight has been changed. This one. Oh, sorry about that. I don't know what is this. Oh yeah, it's this thing. Walkie-talkie, here I come. What is this? Wait. Oh, electrical. And now let's go with the props. Walkie-talkie here. Is this all new? Thought this was old. They're just kidding us. There's nothing new in here. Oh yeah, maybe these two. Well, let's see if we got new houses and anything. Oh yeah, I just got a house. Yo, I don't think this is new. But let's check it if something is updated. I don't think it's good. Why is there an alarm?